No, I'm tough.
So why you glazing me?
Because I think we're in a
No,
fall apart.
why you glazing me? Why you glazing me?
Like glaze isn't
Yeah,
good.
why you glazing me and I'm telling you that without you? I'm telling you that sexual tone.
You know what? You're right.
Look,
No, I should be hating. You're right. No, you fucking suck. You fucking suck.
No, because you, I ain't gonna lie, look. Look, don't even
Yeah.
you on my dick. Okay? And that's okay.
Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know. When it's here, my dog will probably do it for Louis Bell. That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else. I tried to show him. Yeah. I tried to show him. Yeah. Yeah. Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame, he in sicko mode.